Hi, thanks for hanging out. In this video, I'll show you how I go about hanging this cool vintage street sign. Let's get after it. We managed to find this cool old vintage street sign at a garage sale or yard sale, and our house is right next to a river, which makes this perfect. We could mount this to the wall and that would look really cool. What we're going to do is mount it like a street sign. We've got a great spot in the house to do that, and this project will involve getting the brackets made, tightening the sign up and getting it mounted. I'm using some 40mm equal angle. That's just over 1.5 inches. I'll cut 2 lengths for the brackets for the sign, drill the holes, clean them up, paint them up, and they'll be ready to go. These brackets are now ready to paint. I added the holes to be able to screw it to the wall off camera. I'm glad I remembered to do that before I painted it. I'm using a matte black paint to not take away the focus from the sign itself. These are ready to go. Let's get them painted and we'll move on to cleaning up the sign. As you saw, we've given this a clean. We used a combination of a very mild abrasive general purpose kitchen cleaner and some plain water. Really happy with how this has turned out. This is ready to go now. This is the side that had the paint on it through here. That's come off and we're happy with how that looks. Another coat of paint on the brackets, get those installed on the sign and get the sign installed itself, and this job's done. Brackets have had plenty of time to dry. I like how they've turned out. I'm going to attach those now with these 8mm hex button head bolts. Getting ready to do the final mounting for the sign. The ceiling here is 2.4 metres tall, 8 foot tall. We're mounting this as high as we can practically without touching the ceiling to help draw your eye up and make the ceiling appear a little bit taller, hopefully. Let's mark the holes, drill it and secure it to the wall. Overall, I'm really pleased with how this project has turned out, from making the brackets to cleaning the sign and finally installing it. I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks so much for watching. Any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those below. And remember, until next time, life's short, so get after it.